Welcome to Java Thought Channels. Today I am going to discuss about recursively find the factorial of a natural number. I am going to write the program in Python. Create one function diff factorial of n. If number n equal to 0 colon return 1, otherwise else colon return n asterisk factorial of n minus 1. Again, once again create the another main function diff main n equal to int input of enter the any number. Print the factorial of given number is colon double quotes comma factorial of n. Once called to the main function, what will happen? Once execute the programs and get the answer of the programs. Further update, subscribe my channels.